The things Mensa etoma koleba for no sika. We have to be part of these investigations. We have to be briefed. We need to have an idea of where the investigation is heading and how it's being conducted. Nobody should shield anything. I don't want to come back to this matter because when I come back to this matter, the Flagstaff house will not look good. These are 3 corrupt women. And that man in the NDC who thinks that you can force your way to intimidate people, me, I'm ready for you. I am telling you, I respect you, but I am ready. These women, they'll be changed, whether you like it or not. Now, make us show you something here. If you are a smart government, you look out for platforms that the people's ear. That is where you, the government, so you're smart, now you're intelligent, now you're listening. That is where you listen. And anytime some of you think I control the government, I don't. The people who listen to me, they control the government. Now, here, and I want to speak to the government about something. This woman, I'm asking a simple question, and I'm asking the government of the day. These are 3 women. Obia nim their position in our politics. Samba Mensa were appointed by Ekufuado. In fact, one was a personal secretary to Ekufuado. Now, it's been 4 months, 120 days. I want to ask the president a simple question. The CEO of Food and Drugs Authority, your friend of Delis, Mimi Dakun, Yvonne Nana Efriye Opare, MD, Ghana Airport Company Limited, and Sarah to Atta, CIP, Ghana Airport, Kotoka International Airport. Mibusa, the government of the day, say, and this is directed at the President of the Republic. Why are these women still at posts? Because when the MPP were in government, these people were at post and they did not deliver. So nobody can convince me, say, these 3 women, they should still be at post. There was a reason why Ghanaians voted. And the vote was for you to change managers. For you to change people who had run this country down. This lady at the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority, this woman needs to be sacked. She needs to be kicked out. This woman at the Ghana Airport Company, this woman needs to be kicked out. This woman who used to be the personal secretary to Ekufuado, Sarah to Atta, what is she doing at CIP? From my checks, CIP has not even produced 1 receipt of revenue collected by the government of the day. This woman, Sarah to Atta. So why should the government be keeping these women? Why should they be at post? And those people who are in this government protecting these women who are incompetent, who think their personal interest is what the people, they can use to lie to the people. I am telling you today, you have to pick a fight with me. Because until these people are sacked, I will never make John Mahama. You will never rest. They are equally competent Ghanaians and competent NDC people, NDC women who can fill these positions. John Mahama told us that his second coming, his third coming, he wanted to give women opportunity. These are women who could not deliver. And they are not the only women in Ghana. So these women are supposed to be sacked. Whoever is in the NDC who thinks he's powerful, he can use his fucking power, small power that they have gotten, to intimidate people for these women to be kept there. I am telling you, then I'll go into the grave with you. These 3 women are supposed to be sacked. And this goes to the president. If you want the people to trust you, if you want the people to know that you came to serve with people who believe in your vision, because none of these people believe in your vision. They believed in the Ekufuado MPP vision. So why is it that today, John Mahama, you have power, and these 3 incompetent ladies are still filling positions, whilst we have women in the NDC and women in Ghana who are equally qualified than these women to do this job? So, Mr. President, with all due respect to you, Mr. President, whoever is in the NDC thinking that these are his girls, let me say this again. Whoever is in the NDC thinking that these are his girls, he can use these women to feel important in the NDC, then you, this person, have an issue with you. You will not rest, and I wouldn't rest until these women are checked and sacked. So, Mr. President, I am directing this at you. I am not going to direct it to anybody. I am directing this at you. You are not weak. You came in to serve. You came in to do what we want. These women do not believe in your vision. The people who believe in your vision are the people who supported you to come to power. And those are the people you need to put in positions to help you sustain this government and keep your party in power. This lady at Ghana Food and Drugs Authority, she needs to be sacked. Mami we were born chrono tiwa obo at the Papa Ben Food and Drugs Authority. This woman, Yvonne Nana Efriye, this is an MPP card bearing member. We know her affiliation to Akufo-Addo. We know her affiliation to the MPP. Why are we? And I'll direct this to Julius Debra and the rest in the Jubilee House, the Flagstaff House, the Chief of Staffs. Julius Debra, Standogbe. I'm directing to Valerie Sawyer. I'm directing to the President. You people need to take action. All of you people at this Flagstaff House, this is not a joke. If you people can't do the job, walk out. It is not about presidential ambition. It is not about, hey, this person here, he pleases the left and he pleases the right. That nonsense I don't want to hear. It is not about feeling that this is my time to be president. This is the time somebody has to do something for me. This is not a time for people to think that I reach to the left, I reach to the right. That is my foot. I need somebody who can lead. And you people should take action on this, or else we will organize the base. We will organize the base because people cannot put their lives on the line. Where can bring John Mahama to power for some people's selfish, stupid interest to overshadow the party's vision? That nonsense will not happen. So you people should make sure next week these women, they are moved, or else will be part of my show. And Mr. President, you will not breathe. Every single day I will be on you. I will let the people understand that you are not being truthful until these ladies are kicked out. This NCCE lady, she's not here. She needs to be sacked. NCCE lady, she needs to be sacked. In fact, I'll bring the list of people who are not supposed to be in this government. Ade omomuye adwuma eka Ghana ho sempa e believe in the vision of John Mahama and NDC. Omo yankwasi afo ana. Adwuma be na mawe ya, they cannot be kicked out from their positions. Emawe omo chenwan. Sa lady a friend Saratu Ata, she was a personal secretary to Akufo-Addo. Ade ye Jimmy ana. Ana say modun say etikro mu ye Jimmy. And people should just work for you people, and that these people will be sitting and enjoying the perks. Abra almost bri omojeni efa ka koye campaigns. Eko nkrase, women who are equally intelligent, women who are capable of doing this job. And I'm directing this to this person in the NDC, and I know you. And you think you can take the NDC and make it your property. You can't. Because people sacrifice their lives to bring the NDC where they are. Not a single person. And then the people didn't seek the NDC about power. I'm making this clear. Those people who are working in Ghana, making themselves feel said they are the ones who are financially controlling the NDC, and they did put all their money in the NDC. See, I can see a receipt about a printing obia invoice. Those people will go to their rooms, they will not come out again. Because majority of you people, you are working with names, you don't contribute anything to the NDC. And we don't want to do dirty. Because if you people want us to go dirty, we can go dirty. Maintain your levels. These women will leave. May say, I am not here to please you people. I am not here to please anybody in the NDC. If I'm not even here to please John Mahama, who the hell is in the NDC? Obey to me, I can say, maybe please, you know. John Mahama that I decided. John Mahama that Ghanaians have hope in. We all put everything on the line to bring back to power. If John Mahama, I'm not going to make John Mahama rest. Who is the chicken to make noise? Mr. Dencham no and I say I will not make him rest, because if these decisions are not taken, I will not make the president rest. Who is the chicken who is going to make noise? No chicken. No chicken. I am not indebted to anybody in the NDC. Nobody. Mindi obiaka, and I'm no side contract, and nobody is my friend. The right thing must be done. These three women, they all have to be fired. They all have to be kicked out. Decent people, competent women, Ghanaians, men, they can fill this position. I don't want to come back to this matter, because when I come back to this matter, the Flagstaff House will not look good. The grassroots too, they need jobs. There are women who can do this job. These are three corrupt women. And that man in the NDC who thinks that you can force your way to intimidate people, me, I'm ready for you. I am telling you, I respect you, but I am ready. These women, they'll be changed, whether you like it or not. Now, make us show you something here. The wagon. Now, Yendi enkomo quick na yenkofie. You see this? You see a year Imani petitions Shraj to investigate Jane Mensa-led EC for alleged constitutional, statutory, and administrative breaches in sale of electoral equipment for scrap. You see Imani with two eyes. Imani president in Abodam. And Imani, a assistant president, na confused. Kofi Bentil Abodam and Franklin Kujo, you're confused. And today, Imani, a petition Shraj. Now, petition, almost 70 saying, Omo catcher Shraj say, Jane Mensa, a Ghana Sika, ye de koto, a machines, electoral equipment, ye de to about Ghana, ye see over $300 million, e koto ye. Ye de be share Jane Mensa ansano. Jane Mensa, ejapadia ye ni akoto ye no. Se Ghana ti sika de to ejapadia na se ye kasa wona wo hweso a. Se sa ejapadia no beton wo. Obesi no. Se kura na se obe get rid of that equipment a uhia ye den approval before you can get rid of those equipments. Ebi a won ti ase. Se Ghana aban eto den eto equipment edema agency bi ya aban agency say EC Electoral Commission. Na se sa equipment in computer o service o BV whatever efa abato ho se sa de kura asai na se ye pese ye koto twene a wa wo hwe ECG so EC no so no untumi sori no panka say computer 30 asai mo koto twene. No, you need to make sure say aban ama wa approval say sa equipment no o ho kwan say obeto atwene efri say Ghana for sika na de toye was say Ghana for decide say asay kra de pese keep on why o say keep say you ready say you beto atwene a Ghana for na decide say o say to twene. The reason why Jane Mensa and the Imani for Edinako Shraj say my petition say yen hwehwe sansem we mu no na wabokro no wa ye de etiamra no say equipment a ye ti sika de kotoye ye de eden ye de to aba ye de sa equipment no eboya me tumi to aba o Ghana no Jane Mensa fa kwoti kwan so etwa na scrap tie Imani for petition no mo de koma Shraj no Jane Mensa nanka o se odi emraso process bi o hwa o se ofaso ansana se nyoma ye kotoye as edien computers dien se asay kwade ye beto atwene a anase ye pese be use biom ana ye pese de bibia your processor e wo se wo a wo hwe institution so no aban dwuma no so no your processor wo so ofaso ansana wa get rid anase wa discard sa nyoma no Jane Mensa nim so wabokro no nti sa nyoma na in 2020 before 2020 elections you tia almost $300 million ye de ma no so okotaba no Jane Mensa ka so okoto facial recognition machine da ben ye to about Ghana high e de machine hwe wenima e kire sa asemisi wunie sa machine Jane Mensa agi ye hu sika one boss manasare eno mu gi sika eno mu koto China nyoma bi begu ho omu koto bae na obo hu sesisia no omu aban enisu no omu pe a way to discard and I say omu pe a way to hide their crime no sa nyoma no omu dia koma scrap for no aton the 10 Ghana manane. No evidence, no case. Jane Mensa policy and the audit Electoral Commission no. Or play some strategy with Electoral Commission. No evidence, no case. It's a siano. A DB be manako jail. A DB be me achidi biano. Or sorry, no asisa ma scrap for. Sa scrap for no nam Ghana na. Sa alumia azo for no. Ube to me the National Cathedral dino. Ube to me in alumina di amo mo 10 Ghana. Almost scale no. That the any war any of the achichiri wo inside. Ube to me de we are say ship we are say so 10 Ghana no be ma wo. Jane Mensa Afra boys no momra. Sa boys ni scale na ekuta omo no. Ube to me abobo National Cathedral. Ayan alomi. Now the scale no so still obenya 10 Ghana because almost scale no static scale ye de wo achichiri any baranzu. Omo be scale no de baranzu achichiri inside. And omo de wo no madun so eguso. And omo de de Italia kakra. And omo de super guru eguso. And omo achichiri. And omo de atu scale no so. It is a scale no. Opa Mensa nsesa enadia computer se wo isi wo nyina mo ano no fama sankofo no 10 Ghana. Into realistically Mensa ton Ghana electoral equipment e dia ma lobi fo mo makonane 10 Ghana. Ye Jimmy 10 Ghana. One none computers ni nyina you see ano no evidence no case. Sana mami we it easy wo because na onim said definitely MPP be win election no. It is onim say omo year 2020 elections no. Any omo EC officials na omo conduct 2020 elections no. Any 2024 election onim say nti omo ka. Yes, they have not been paid. Sama ibosum we onti omo ka. Because no mutimu no. Nana do dan kweku for atoto nyoma ma Bawumia. Say Bawumia be wini. Until they were spending, they were stealing. And Imani for the nako shrage say shrage from freno. Na brofu bi wom constitutional, statutory and administrative breaches. Sa brofu kwa the PZ for bamunko ho. Yeka say it has led to constitutional, statutory and administrative breaches. Sa brofu the PZ for menko ho. Et say sebio yaka say sebio wako mienshia ko wiansa. Ebia yegunsa ene yede snap nesi wo say ye kwaba. Na wakoho na sebio otufo enya hoho na omofiri bebia yegu nsa no snap be akotoa enum esiwo yegu ba akopɛ ɛna aka ɛnan ɛte sɛ otufo megu nsa na ensa ne nsae na omde esi abosomo so omokɔ akodi nkomo aba na wafa ekira kɔ wia ɛno ɛte sɛ alleged constitutional, statutory, administrative breaches we breach administrative rule na ɛwo menhia no ɛyɛ crime kakraka pa bontua. And then I friend brofos and PZ4. Senti woti bibi a friend constitutional, statutory and administrative breaches are. Et se o two for snap e wo benhia. Wafa edan no ho akọ wia snap na koton. Na ya chew. Ene de etwa oti kura ye nya obone. Enti de esi no enya de ketwa. Mensa said the media obusami ankose pam no. But this is the beginning of investigations into her actions. In Jesiani, Yabese how far this matter will go. Yabese Ghana for baby a matter we beko. Now I want to ask the Shraj boss. We want full transparency in these investigations. We don't want you to come and say MMM. You need to make sure every single step you have a press conference to tell us what you have discovered. Because where you sika, the things Mensa etoma koleba for no yeni sika. Until we have to be part of these investigations. We have to be briefed. We need to have an idea of where the investigation is heading and how it's being conducted. Nobody should shield anything. I'll commend Imani for doing that. In fact, I'll commend only Franklin Kujo. Minim say Kofi Benti with Jimmy and I do obey way because on MPP ni on Odiba Omiechi to say lap dog onimu nyansa. So I'll commend Franklin Kujo and the reasonable ones at Eddie and Imani. And I hope say Shraj will do the needful because this petition, I want to also forward one to the president. Because Shraj Enyabako, the president needs to receive this same petition. I am going to sponsor one of these petitions to the presidency. And I have people on standby who will be basically pushing this petition to the president because you're Ghana for. Into Team K, this is the time. Let's also put our petition together. Let us move the same thing to the presidency. Because the president needs to also open investigations into this. The president needs to push this to the Council of State. I was a president Dim Ranoso. Because president wants to Dim Ranoso. Yes, so you're being Petition. If John Mahama decides not to follow the law, about Chief Justice India with Dim Ranoso Pepe problem. Mensa we are going to petition the president. The president should follow the law. He should work within the confinements of the Constitution. We are going to petition the president. We also want the president to forward this. He should look at it. This is Ghana money. He should forward it to the Council of State. The Council of State should take their time and analyze. When they find fascicate, If the Council of State finds prima facie, they should also make sure they go back to the president, follow the rules, and tell the president that they have found primary facie, and that the primary facie should also help us constitute a committee. And when a committee is constituted, it means Jane Mensa has to go. She has to step aside for the committee to do its job. So we are going to petition the president. Boss, I beg you, get this petition ready for me. Thank you very much. I've gotten the green light. The petition will be put together. We will petition the president, and then the president will move it to the Council of State. And then when the Council of State, they don't establish anything or they don't find any primary facie, then it's fine. But if they find a primary facie, then it will go to a committee, back to the president, and a committee will be set, and Jane Mensa will have to step aside for the primary facie that has been established for the investigations to begin. Now, this guy, Charles Bissiu, granted 200,000 bail, ordered to submit passport and report to OSP monthly. This does not matter. We all know Charles Bissiu is a thief. He's a criminal. Charles Bissiu is a political thief. I don't even want to worry myself about Charles Bissiu. Now, my question to the special prosecutor is simple. Special prosecutor is a waste of time. In fact, Mr. President, you need to sack this guy. He's a lazy ass. This is a guy who is just sucking us dry. The money he's making out of this office, just being there and sitting there and doing nothing. This guy, and 40 years was so going to be making saskano. We have come to that conclusion that this guy is a waste of space. Technically, he is somebody who is just wasting state resource. The special prosecutor told us that Ken Oforiatta was set Obedru Ghana May. And the date, I am saying, and the date, I am 6th of May. The special prosecutor has not given us a statement whether Ken Oforiatta is here or not. This special prosecutor is a thief. He's a criminal. He's an imposter. He's a liar. He's just using the office to amass wealth. Amount of money you try to come man Libyana, Anka Kwawe, Anka a regular lawyer, and go and be that Kobiso. Or this is a Jimmy. Charles Bissiu is a thief. We don't care. Charles Bissiu is a church mouse. No matter what he does, you go to jail. We are talking about Ken Oforiatta's issue. The special prosecutor is a criminal. Or a cromfo. He does not respect Ghanaians. He always plays on the conscience, on the minds of the people. Every single day, he's some fucking stupid case that does not matter. There are real cases that matter. And those cases, Ebini Ken Oforiatta coming back to Ghana to answer questions. But this guy, this bat guy, all over the place, making it look like say Onimumrachi Obia. This guy just pretended to know the law. He pretended to be patriotic. He pretended to be smart. This guy is one of the most sneakiest, slimiest. This guy is an imposter. Mr. President, whatever you can do to sack this idiot, sack him. We don't need him. Today is the 6th of May. He has not even had the courtesy to have a press conference to update us on Ken Oforiatta Nkwasiade. This fool is still sitting in that office, taking salary every single day. We don't need Charles Bissiu. Charles Bissiu can't be bonekuno. We know he's a fool. Or a crime for a buying anybody or go jail. We don't need Charles Bissiu. We need Ken Oforiatta. We need you to bring Ken Oforiatta to Ghana. And after you bring Ken Oforiatta, we have to sack you. Because you cannot be trusted. You think you're Jimmy, what you say, you are using that office to make wealth, to make money. Story be to system nim. The courtesy to come and tell us, because your Tiana say, what the Interpol, what the Ken Oforiatta to international criminal list. So, any 3 days now, be say, only Ken Oforiatta lawyers, Sakasa, may Ken Oforiatta be here. Today is the 6th of May. Unya nyan sampon kanchre adikudientia Ken Oforiatta mbaye. Odo kwasi atiwo, edwin say Jimmy. Also, no face will say the way advert ma yogurt. Inti yenim nyansa. And you're sorry, and you're Tamsikama na woody. Mr. President, you need to sack this guy. This guy is a waste of resource. This guy is a waste of time. This guy is just wasting public funds. I don't even know why, as a nation, we are sitting there for these guys who spent all their lives pretending to be intelligent, waste our resource for no reason. Now he's giving us date, 13th to 14th May. I swear to God, 13th to 14th May, we will come to your office. We will demonstrate. You your office. Eh? If you are telling us that Kenoforiata said he's going to be here on the 13th and the 14th, we are here. Ebeba. Next week, ebeba. Now next week, 13th, 14th, you know, say Kenoforiata makrum ha. Yebeba or office wo. We will demonstrate and we will take you out of that office. En kwasi asiri na akaw. Deviana osre. I saw your advert you go to Yugoslavia. Eh? Time ne dru obia e wo so obia deliver. O she hoko de na wudi nkwasi asem. O se 13th or 14th, we are fine. Agege boys, we will not act. Gidi gidi bia ni wo, we will wait. We will maintain our level. We will maintain adole. We will wait. 13th nwa. Na 13th or the 14th ni be do. Na Kenoforiata ni ha. I want to go to Sana Noko. Sana aya enkranfo omubu baby say. Okay, bemi means sanibo a denchemwa. I want to be me say 13th and 14th ba obu say enkranfo be. Almost say okay sanibo a denche means subo yani. I want to be now. I've done exactly 3 hours, 19 minutes. Now, your video we. You see school feeding contract you are terminating. No. Nicaragua for a demonstration. School feeding. Aban say, what terminating contract in United States, you be shisha for fro. Na, ya say, omo mu yeduane no, you be pay the for fro, mu betuma yeduane ni ye. Minu anoma mu Nicaragua state, eye asantimemu. Omo say omo ntiase. Omo no mu ye MPP for na omo ye school feeding na omo ye nkwase yeduane no. Inti termination aba no. Omo de omo tu betwi form akwache otumfo na omo ntie omo ho ase moma yentie eye Nicaraguans.
The friend gift someone me Ashanti Regional School Teachers Association president. I'm pay by a school fee juma akodi dwa you say Tuesday you start here duane you nya letter around 4 p.m. Friday say Mahama said, terminate your contract. The same thing if you come and say, the back, you can say, you become one because you are jibbling a digger. You are toying near me na Benada, you are conwediana. And she say, Mahama, say, oh, my own wediana, and can wediana be a second term, and can say, Sanko catching. Said the Bayanka, young fire loan, young quadrillion in Pope, na Campesia Codija. The one no adding is sick a credit and a cacrawaka, and what dear digger. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeba, nearby the same, my gender minister say. In Siniso, then she Mahama say a panat show, ye nema, ye Ghana former, ye do loan, ye single parents. Just say ye share kuna for ye shanko pranem work with them one, ye shall woman. Tis a cobase, what terminate your con just like that, dear. You pass and say, and training.
Number your letter and Mensa then kind.
You who young say a circulating. Our your platform so FM stations and so a report meaning say even though there is no signature effective or accurate or more the year
if you never mobile and say mobile catch will be some Mahama say loan now more Jimmy.
Yeah, quite my gender minister who say in sin so then see Papa Mahama say ye nema ye Ghana for my no dianema this year med Sikanoa Yukutano a loan. Yadi akodidwa anka Friday enwumre ene yenya letter anka Tuesday chena ye kono aduane ketua bia ni Ghana ha no mo a saa de obeka so woni dwa ene na aduane no wono a obeno anko ade a wadi.
You see when you listen to them, the their posture, the arrogance, the disrespect. Matumani etia besi mahemu afa VIP abankran. na moba no mamu sese nkran na moba ma yeden ma tutu aduane eguo enti ye den ye metua moka na keje tia de si o de si man se den mo fa ngogum koton mo de MPP ahye mo ni ase ena mo de tia santime muri kan kwase asem aduane na mo nua ena mo te wana mo de bo preman mu mfie bebe amodui mo de bidia fa boni achi ahye eye Yugoslavia for space abegina se mo pede an yakodi dwa na keje tia de si o de ne ton wo makodi dwa mo nkoto table nkan na mo nkoton posture body language Mahama ye hwe kunafo ye single mothers ya buruma ha mu na me wo bi o ye single mother ntidie brabro chebe he single mothers de omo ye ejuma amanfo ye na ye single mother na kodi dwa eguda mo ye den enti Mahama nye den onja de oye na gender minister so nja de oye na de wo kodi dwa beguo aduane amoye ne ye hu aduane amoye party edidi mutrim aja mekupa so ode eye sentuntum bi na etwi de nimo waso akoto space wo eye ketia ebonanim aden a ye ne anu aduane ye ka se mo kofa mo certification bra munya meto nwurem certificate kura kire se wo se mo nu aduane munya meto nwurem mo de party enkwasea party sam baby mama association for VIP efri Kumasi mo fri Nicaragua mo anje visa mo beduru nkran o be kire wo ho ena ye ni ye hwe kunafo onkwa na hwe kunafo Ghana wonkwa na baby mama wonkwa na baby afa no wawo a wogya wo ho masa mo asempapa bia mo nka nkire mo ho mato aduane agudam a mo nkoto table nka nko hyehye keje tia space wo ho ye di sika we ma mo ye di aduane contract ma mo ekutia ne nkwasiade na mo de ye mo so ya na mo di twantoma bag akese ena atani akese ye ne yanya de hye ne yegimi ne atam sika ma ho na de hye de weduane akadema o hawo ne sen nya wotre ne be sa bodwa na nsen a amanfo beba ase hye table obetuma aton akosida week 2 weeks bi edi akosida munya wotre muntwen ye bedi afasha na nsen a mumbo table nton monko kanche bo bank ne se de na modis aduane ne ko ere nyamba so enti munne om trans na mu renegotiate obi ambo omka mutumi haha muni twatro mutumi haha muni na mo twatro na mutim mami peyin toto wodi bidia for wani mafri left to south abegina ho ena Mahama no ena ai ye ba gender minister ho woni mekwan ye faso ko gender minister ho obia ngisika bi obia mo bisika bia mopa munkoku mu ho mopa monko woro mo dross nko ye campaign ma MPP enfo bia ho mo MPP for ye ni mo ade nkwase ade na manfa school feed na anye enkwara ti school no munya aduane ndi mo so ya na maye mutuo na mo de nkwan asa ho e de se moa na mo de ama omodi ene de mu refi enkwase ade a mo tena Ghana ye mo ti asantimemu ho ye MPP for ni ama contract. The contract has been terminated. Mu fili amon court. Mu kruma kromfo, mo party executives are kromfo. Mu nim anything about cooking food. Ni atameduane amamo. Last me catch the NDC aban. Obi aboga beba. Sa NDC mana omo ye nkwase adwuma ma boga saba town no. E wo sa NDC bana enso edi boga seduane ni bi. Enti sa contract ne be ma NDC for ma. Omo de ma NDC for ma aban ni be ko omo ho. Emra to say obeto aba to tia NDC enfo bia ho because NDC for ma so enipa masora no pa tutu 22 wosin etwi wonim makeup abegina ho abobodes una ofri Nicaragua entinka ka asare anyine ko tete table ase se duane gudama akoto table ka ho because the man of good credit ya ton nyama no won chen omo mo nya papa nchen omo ya ma me no gudua ogu ewiase no mo ton ade no a omo koba no mo nchen omo party ena adokro mo Monfa ba se mo sankom krom. Ye ba Mahama ho, ye ba gender minister ho. Ye ti kroma na Ashanti regional minister. Odi matem se moa, obi antuma so yankasa. Ye ntia Ashanti regional minister de nim se kokuo. Otena Ashanti region edi matem mukọ ne office ogina stro tuntosu ogu mu so. Ene de bo hu. Matam bi de atwumanim abegina nkran. Onye se nkran edi agro ha. Epo da ha o. What epo, what ship abenda, unti bi da. It wouldn't seem as I said, so a was so tear. Mon shadan te shape a benda. Senka what shape a benda and come begina kum akra meye ye fri Nicaragua and aduane gudem. Na aduane gudem a de na ye enye di yedi. Aduane gudem a enye tewu na atoka hoton. Say yakoji loan papa ben. Party for mama MPP didi mutrim ye de aduane mama muntumi nye. Ma hyehyɛ Pakistan for space abegina ho ɛna mufri Kumasi mo hyehyɛ space free Kumasi abeduru enkran mufri Nicaragua mo te VIP mo hyehyɛ space abeduru enkran o hwehwɛ hwan na woni ɛyɛ gender minister nye appointment o yi sɛ enkran ɛde sɛ keyetia ubowure ma na okoto nam na wokɔ ɛwɔ sɛ wo yɛ the appointment saa na enkran teɛ enkran edi nkan frɛ na yɛ den yɛ appointment ansa ne aba minister ho enye yi ase ne yɛkɔ enye nsa na yekobo ne abegina be yi ho ene ye nuanie ene unimi ye dia ye dia de hye ene ye ne ene ekuta nse 5000 sa nkwase ade ne enye ne nkran so opeso ko hu minister won kran di nkan frɛ minister na ka chen se adase ye beba ye be hye space aba enti aya yesrew time wom on sorry deche embo size 98 bodies begina ho ene ye duane akadam on kwa na hwe janka mo san ko mukrom. Next time, more bank Monje visa. Abuache. My name is Kevin Taylor. It's been good. It's been nice. It's exactly 3 hours, 28 minutes. God has been good to us. It's been a wonderful Tuesday evening. We will meet. We will discuss Ghana. We will protect what is good. My job here is to protect a good government. And what I am seeing is good governance. So I will protect it. John Dramani Mahama and the NDC, they have shown they are willing and they are ready to serve you people. We as Ghanaians, we need to guide them, protect them. If we have to constructively criticize them, we have to do that. 42 years is the agenda. We all need to work together, protect this government, protect this president, protect the destiny and the democracy of this nation. The MPP is bad news. These are dangerous disease that we cannot allow to infiltrate our democracy. Be good. God bless you, because we are all messengers who are ready and willing to speak truth to power. Abuache, good night. I will see you when I see you.
Yo, we are best fishermen. No, 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 no,